Looking for the perfect camera to capture those special moments, explore your creative side, or take your photography skills to the next level? In 2026, there are some standout models that cater to different needs, from high-end specs to budget-friendly options. In this guide, I'll break down the best cameras to buy in 2026, so you can find the one that suits your needs and budget. Let's jump in. The Sony RX-10 IV takes the crown for best overall and high-end camera in 2026. With its outstanding 20.1 megapixel 1-inch sensor, this camera delivers superb image quality, even in low-light conditions. The RX-10 IV also features a blazing fast 0.03 second autofocus and a continuous shooting speed of up to 24 frames per second, making it ideal for sports and wildlife photographers. Plus, with its versatile 24 to 600 millimeter zoom lens, you can easily capture wide-angle landscapes or zoom in on distant subjects with ease. This camera also excels in video recording, offering 4K capabilities with full pixel readout, giving you cinematic footage. If you want the best in class, the Sony RX-10 IV is your go-to camera. Check out the link below to learn more about this powerhouse. If you're looking for the longest zoom and versatility, the Nikon Coolpix P1 is your best bet. With its impressive 125 times optical zoom, you can capture distant subjects with incredible detail. Whether you're shooting wildlife, sports, or landscapes, the P1 offers unparalleled zoom capabilities. The camera is equipped with a 16 megapixel sensor, ensuring that your shots remain sharp and clear even at full zoom. It also features 4K UHD video recording, making it great for capturing high-quality footage. The P1100 is a fantastic option for those who need extreme zoom range without compromising on image quality. If you're all about zooming in on distant subjects, click the link below to grab more details. The Panasonic Lumix FZ80D is the best option for beginners who want great value without breaking the bank. This camera offers a 20.3 megapixel sensor and a 60 times optical zoom, which provides great flexibility for all kinds of photography, from wide landscapes to detailed close-ups. The FZ80D also supports 4K video recording, giving you sharp and vibrant footage, while the 5-axis image stabilization ensures that your shots are steady and clear. This camera is compact, easy to use, and perfect for those just starting their photography journey, while still offering features that will grow with you as you advance. If you're looking for an affordable option with amazing value, the Panasonic Lumix FZ80D is a fantastic choice. Don't miss out. Check the link below for more info. The Panasonic Lumix FZ1002 sits perfectly in the mid-range category, offering a balance of performance and price. With its 20.1 megapixel sensor and 16 times optical zoom lens, the FZ1002 captures stunning photos with impressive detail and color accuracy. It also features 4K video recording and a high-quality EVF electronic viewfinder, allowing you to compose shots easily in any light. The camera is built for those who need more advanced features than a beginner camera, but don't want to spend a fortune. The FZ1002 also boasts excellent battery life, meaning you can shoot for longer without needing to recharge. If you're looking for a camera that delivers professional-level features without the hefty price tag, the Panasonic Lumix FZ1002 should be on your radar. Click the link below to check out this great option. The Kodak Pixpro AZ528 is the best budget camera for those who want great performance at an affordable price. With its 16 megapixel sensor and 52 times optical zoom, the AZ528 is perfect for capturing everything from wide landscapes to distant subjects. The camera is equipped with a 3-inch LCD screen, making it easy to preview and capture your shots. While it may not offer 4K video like some of the more expensive models, it does provide full HD 1080p video recording, which is more than enough for casual videography. This is an excellent camera for those just starting out in photography, or anyone who needs a reliable, low-cost option. And if you're on a tight budget and want great performance, the Kodak Pixpro AZ528 is definitely worth considering. For more details, check the link below. No matter what your photography needs are, whether you're a pro looking for the best overall performance or a beginner on a budget, there's a camera out there for you. From the high-end Sony RX-10 IV to the budget-friendly Kodak Pixpro AZ528, each of these cameras delivers exceptional value for their price. So what are you waiting for? Click the links below to grab your perfect camera today and start capturing beautiful memories in stunning detail. Happy shooting!